Hi, what's up guys? This is DK from Tekida, and today I'll be unboxing the JISU F8 fan from China. Inside the box there's the lanyard strap, and there's the charging cable, and there's the device itself. There's three colors. There is brown, there's pink, and there's white. And I got the white variant. And there's also the manual. It's in Chinese and English. The device itself is a bear shape with the ears, and in order to reveal the fan you open it. And on the bottom there's a USB-A and a micro USB and LED and a single button to operate the fan and the flashlight on the bottom. This device has three functionalities: a fan, a flashlight, and an external battery. And wait for my review for the next video to see how the thing operates. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.